In this video, I'm going to discuss how easy it is to clean slice safety blades compared to traditional blades. We get a lot of questions about cleaning blades. Traditional blades, whether they be metal or ceramic, are very hard and very dangerous to clean versus slice safety blades, which are very easy to clean. If you have cutting applications where material is sticking to your blades and you have to throw that blade away because it's become covered in all sorts of goop, you could easily clean our blades because they're safer to the touch than traditional blades. You could use alcohol or other sort of cleaning solutions to get that material off the blade and save the blade. Very easy to do with the slice safety blades. Using traditional blades, it's very difficult. Why is that? Because they're super sharp. Also, another good point, slice safety blades are oil-free. There's no oil shipping with our blades. Why? Because we do not rust. We don't need oil on our blades. So with a traditional metal blade, many of our customers need to remove that oil from the metal blade, especially in aerospace, before they could use the blade in their facility. Clean room, aerospace, many other applications don't want contaminants, that oil on their blade. So trying to remove oil from individual blades that rust, traditional metal, or trying to remove debris from super sharp ceramic blades that are extremely dangerous is not advisable. If you have applications that require clean blades, no oil, no rust, or you need to clean your blades while you're cutting, use slice safety blades. Much safer than trying to clean traditional ceramics, which are crazy sharp, or traditional metal blades that have oil on them and rust and also are very sharp. Stay with slice safety blades.